Hey there, I'm Masha and this is my channel about modeling, about how to become a model, about how to pose, how to walk. Also, I'm sharing my beauty hacks because I love my morning routine and evening routine, and I love applying makeup, and also about my diet and my food. And in this particular video, I'm going to talk about model types, because understanding your model type is very critical, very important for your career, because if you don't understand your type, you think you're classical, but you have unique look, and it's just not gonna work because you're gonna be in the wrong agency with the wrong strategy. It's very important to have proper strategy with your agent, with your agency, and they're gonna send you to wrong clients. Especially, it's very important to understand your type for freelance models because they are proposing themselves to clients by themselves, and sometimes you're just getting no because you're writing not to the right client. It's not a good fit, you too, but there are a lot of clients out there and they're all looking for different kind of models. We will start with classical or commercial face. It's, big eyes, blue eyes, full lips. It's that kind of beauty. Let's call it Victoria's Secret beauty. Yeah, girls with very classical, very beautiful, very attractive face, and they do work a lot for commercials and they do earn lots of money. And for them, it's very critical to find the right agency with lots of commercial clients. So if they're gonna be with a high fashion agency who are specified on fashion weeks and I don't know, some editorials, they're not gonna work that much. And especially this market, Germany, is gonna be great for classical and commercial face. They're gonna work a lot and they're gonna earn really good money. Every city has some commercial work. For example, New York, London, Miami, LA is gonna be great for commercial face. As I said before, Germany, Paris, maybe Milan, a bit less, but still, in every city they can find work. And yeah, there are a lot of commercial clients over there. Probably they can easily work anywhere because there are a lot of commercial clients out there. Another type is kind of new type. It's begun with Fei Fei Sun, amazingly beautiful Asian model, and it's a protest against Instagram face because it's totally different, totally different appearances. Noble face, it's all about intelligence that you can see through the face, and it's very natural. It's all about natural look without any plastic surgery. Noble face models have really high forehead, natural lips. Sometimes they can be thin, sometimes they can be full. It actually doesn't matter. And they have this deep eyes, deep look. So you're looking at this model and you just, I don't know, you have a feeling that she's a very deep, intelligent, and highly, I don't know, highly smart person with a lot of deepest thoughts and very, very, very interesting inner world. For this type of models, it's very great because they were twistable and they are gonna be a good fit for commercial clients and for high fashion clients because of their very unique appearance. And for them, it's also very, very important to start with a good agent and with a good agency so they can get noticed by bigger clients. And for them, it's very important not to start with some shitty clients for really cheap clothes, for really cheap, I don't know, bags, shoes, and so on and so on. Bad quality. I'm not talking about mass market. I'm talking about very bad quality of clothes. So they can be stuck on that level, and for them it's gonna be more difficult to get rich to bigger clients. So it's better always to keep that, level. Other type of beauty is baby face. They are very popular among different markets, not just Asian market. Yeah, of course, Asian market they love, especially Japan, Korea, they love baby face, but baby face can work in London, in New York, in Milan, in Germany, and everywhere in the world. And it's very good because after being a baby face, they becoming usually or noble face or classical face, and they can work not till they are 22, 23, they can work till they are 35 or 36 years old because baby face, they're getting old really step by step, and they're getting old in a really beautiful way. And yeah, the main things of baby face is these cheeks, big eyes, little lips, also very natural look. They're usually blonde, but it doesn't matter, they can be dark as well. But usually they're a bit blonde and they're looking like a real little baby and little angel, and they also both can work with commercial clients and with high fashion clients. But of course, commercial clients, skincare, makeup brands, clothes, lingerie, they love cute dresses. They love buying. They love confirming baby faces. Then let's talk about strong model type. As you can understand from the name, it's girls with a high forehead with very visible cheekbones. Usually they have small eyes, not really full lips, thin lips, and usually it's darker hair color, or like really platinum blonde, for example, not natural blonde. And they can have, for example, shorter hair or boyish hair, and like in general appearance, from the appearance of these women, you can feel that they are very strong, feminine, and confident. And they're a great fit for fashion weeks and for high fashion model agencies and for high fashion clients. For example, editorials, for campaigns, for lookbooks, for different fashion shows. They're a really good fit. And the last model type, the strongest one, I think, it's unique model type. It's girls, boys with very unique features. They can have no eyebrows or big mole on their face, or vitiligo, this skin disease, or for example, lots of freckles, or unique hair color, pink, green, blue, and so on and so on. So, you know, that kind of appearance that pop up from others, and they can get noticed like really from the first second, you know. You look into lots of girls, you know, in a casting, for example, and you immediately pay attention on this girl or boy because the appearance, it sticks in your memory. And their clients, it's that kind of clients who wants to be closer to teenagers, to younger generation, and who wants to follow like new trends, not the classical trends. For example, Tom Ford, for now, won't work with unique models, but for example, Balenciaga, they would love to work with that kind of models. And for them, it's they can start in really young age, and they are plus that they can be successful in overnight. They can be, I don't know, scouted on a street by a famous photographer, or they can be scouted by a really famous agency who are specialized on this like unique models, and they can, I don't know, book Balenciaga fashion show or Balenciaga lookbook, like that. Like very easy, and they're becoming successful because after working with one big client, other clients who are working in the same like field, who are working in the same style, they will book this model. So for them, it's very critical to start young, to book first really high level job, and to get into agency, not commercial agency. There's not going to be work for them, but these agencies who are working with unique looks. Like, that's pretty much it. I'm really curious if you're gonna guess my kind of, you know, model type. And also write me your model type. I'm really interested in getting to know you guys. And please give me a like if you like this video and follow my channel for more content. Bye bye!